Today, we will be learning about writing in complete sentences. Learning to write in complete sentences is so important. Sentence structure will help us in our writing with journals, responses to reading, paragraphs, and so much more. Complete sentences will lay the foundation for good writing practices for the rest of this year. Do you remember last week when we talked about how we were going to begin free write journals to keep in our notebook for the year, which will include funny stories or even writing about something you want to do? Well, learning how to write in complete sentences will make our journal entries so much better. A complete sentence includes both a subject and a predicate. Now, a subject is whom or what the sentence is about. And a predicate tells what the subject does or is. Now, some examples of each of these. First, a subject could be a musician, a player, he, playground, lake, or jacket. Those are topics of what a sentence could be about. Now, some examples of predicates could include the words played, struggled, flapping, was, and were. Now, I want us to try to write a sentence, a complete sentence, using two of the examples above. So, for the first one, I chose musician as our subject and the word played as our predicate. Now, I am going to demonstrate a sentence that I would make out of these two. So, the sentence I would come up with is, the talented musician played the piano. So, now I used my subject, musician, and I used my predicate, played. Who was the subject? The musician. And what did the subject do? He played. The next example that I want to show you is using the subject he and the predicate struggled. So with those two, what I would come up with is, he struggled to catch the ball. So this is the complete sentence that I would come up with. He struggled to catch the ball. Now we're going to practice on our own. I want you working with a partner. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube. We've been practicing finding good sources on YouTube to try to find a video of examples of complete sentences to give you guys even more ideas. Then I want you to go to your brand new journal. I want you, with your partner, to come up with 5 different complete sentences in your writing journal. I want you to circle your subject and underline what your predicate is in each of those sentences. When everyone is done, we're going to come back to the rug and share as a class our sentences. We're going to add our sentences to our whiteboard, and we will also add our subjects and our predicates as a group to our whiteboards when we all come back. Okay? Okay, so now that we are back at the rug, we have found good YouTube video sources, and we have written 5 sentences in our writing journals. And we have also shared as a class what we found with our partner. I want us all to think about when we come back from lunch, when we begin a free write in our journals. I want you to remember what makes up a complete sentence. Sentences must have a subject and a predicate. I want in your first journal entry to underline the subject and circle the predicate in each sentence in your journal entry after lunch. Thank you.